They go knock it off. They can move there, yeah. Yo, drive your bus, The more con there.
Oh, you see, I just play a video, and that's a video where I want to elaborate on, because all of them things happen today in St. Lucia. St. Lucia is a place without order. Look at them two young ladies there. I fight like a dog. Two young girls, them, I fight at the bus stop in a grass street. And nobody not there if you say, right, it's a lucky thing a man walk and come over and pull them apart. Two young girls on a Saturday morning, 8 o'clock or whenever in the morning, when them should have in them bed, them should have clean up them house. You understand? Spread up them bum bucket bed, but them there on road corner, I fight like dog. Now with that said, let's go. Come on, talk something little bit about Marvin, and then we are gonna go down into the two young man them will get killed today. You understand? And one more time, let's go. Now, you know, say Grass Street and Graveyard been beefing for years and years, and the war cooled down. One of them did have a different name, and it changed to whatever now. But anyways, my intel, a source very close to me in Barbados, Arkham, has told me that one of the reasons the war started is the 6 man them get tired of Marvin and cut butt them and kill off the young girls them and kill off innocent people. And the 6 them take it up on themselves. I guess be law enforcement, I don't know, but that's what my intel tell me. And you know, being who I am, I just listen. If you have a gangster in the city and kill off the young kids and kill off the innocent people, is a problem to me. And yo, yeah, would I get rid of him? I just a countryman state. But it's just my opinion. You understand? So it does make sense what the intel told me. With that said, let's go.
Yes. Basically, we had 2 separate incidents of murders within the city of Castries. The police have been out, and we are doing everything in our power to bring this matter to a result. What I can tell you so far, we have 1 person in custody. The police have also recovered a firearm, which we hope can be linked to at least one of the homicides. Secondly, I know persons there is a genuine fear, and I can understand that concern. However, the police, so far, what we have done as a police force, we have cancelled the leave of all our operation departments, and then you will see a heightened state of security in the coming days ahead. There's also the concern where we have 2 major political events happening tomorrow. I can tell you again, my senior officers have been listening with organizers of both political parties, and we are ready to police this. We are ready to police these events. We have no information or no intelligence that suggests that there is any threat against any of the activities tomorrow. Notwithstanding that, we look all our power to ensure that both of these events are properly policed and they receive the necessary attention. We also had a meeting today with the Prime Minister, who is the Minister of National Security, and his cabinet. And again, the Prime Minister has expressed full support to the police force in terms of taking whatever action that is legal and necessary to bring the situation to a calm.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people faces. No matter how them I go on like, them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
That was the police commissioner, the assistant one, and he was giving an update of the shooting that happened in the middle of Caspi's St. Lucia today. Jamie was shot, and then later in the evening, Taco Bell got shot. Now, they're saying that Taco Bell shooting is a robbery, and his family warned him about wearing chain. But I am telling you, this goes a lot deep. Put it like this: the 6 is very active, and I warned the whole St. Lucia, I warned the police them that the gangs are morphing, and they act as if they don't want to listen to me. Now, it was a bloody Saturday in St. Lucia. Now, in the middle of Caspi's, this young man here, Taco Bell, they said he was robbed and shot. But I'm gonna tell you guys something. This young man right here, my intel tell me he was affiliated, or he is at the time before he died. He was affiliated with Scarecrow them. You understand? Because he's from a different area. I think it's Duan, and he has family over there where Scarecrow them is from, which is down by Grass Street. Now, for Jamie, it's the same thing. Not really a part of Scarecrow them thing, but from the same area and do of affiliation. And in my opinion, and what my intel is telling me, is that they were targeted because of the affiliations. Now, I just want to correct something. Now, you see Jamie, he's from Manduan. You understand? And Taco Bell is from Patterson. But guess what? Like I said earlier, them all have family in Grass Street. Now, Taco Bell was always loaded with gold, and his family them always want him to take off the gold. But I'm telling you one thing, like my intel said, this is deeper than that. Very much deeper than just a robbery. You see, both of them man there, them and Scarecrow is friends down by Grass Street, and I think that's why they got killed today. And it's not even a matter of think, it's what the intel is saying. My intel is saying also the police should be on high alert because there is going to be a reprisal. And I got an intel from out of the prison who told me that once Taco Bell and Jamie was killed, Baboon King activated, and in jail, the man them chop up Tiba nephew and tap another member of the 6th gang in prison. So the war, it is, I'm gonna use this word, the war has been facilitating back and forth from prison to road, from road to prison. But with all these killings, it's gonna take this thing to a new height. One thing I want to say, 2 people got shot when Taco Bell got killed. And those people are bystanders, they're pedestrian, they had nothing to do with the shooting at all. But they got shot, and I want to send condolence to them. Now, going back to what the police said, let me show you guys a video.
They catch all the fellas, more like on any vehicle that the fellas easy.
So far, we have 1 person in custody. The police have also recovered a firearm, which we hope can be linked to at least one of the homicides.
Like I said earlier, I want to take the time and give the police them enough respect. Wanna move fast on this one. I wanna catch somebody and they're in custody. So, good work for the St. Lucia police on this one. But another intel just called me while I'm making this video and told me that females are involved in the shooting and that a female was in the car. So, from what I am ciphering, a female got arrested by the police and the other man them run out of the car and leave her and the gun in the car. Now, would you see how St. Lucia is a lot of twists and turns? And let me tell you something. This war that's going on between the 6th and the 7th, when you hear what I say at the front, them say enough man on the 6th side was upset because Marvin have certain little bottom feeder I do a lot of fuckery in the community. So that was one reason why the 6th them kinda rise up. Now, listen, I am not supporting no form of violence. You understand? But me personally, if needed in our community, and you have man a kill off young girls and them thing there, them would have left the community or we get rid of them. It's either them go prison or turn in them bomber clad self, or them go the other way. And that's how Countryman is. Listen, my name is Countryman, yo.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.